Hello everybody, it's me again. I'm back. Feeling a little musty today. Don't know why. Just I don't know. But this is gonna be my Christmas special. So yeah, Merry Christmas, because this video will be dropping on Christmas Day, but it's not Christmas for me quite yet. So I'm pre-recording this video. Let's get straight into it. So Animal Company quite literally recently dropped a brand new update, and it comes with a whole lot of new stuff. Like look at all these. And it comes with a brand new ski resort map, I think. I don't know. I've been staying off of the YouTube and looking at all this because yeah. But I also did just realize when I loaded in, I saw this. Yeah, this is like new. Look at this. Goes through all the way over here. So there's a new area. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be exploring everything new that's in this game now. So we'll go that way. We'll check out the skill tree, and first, let's check out the new items. Yeah. So the first new items, they're all right here. I don't know why the goop is here. It's not really new, but everything else is new. Like all the snowboards. There's skis, goated, and then snowboards. But I'm just gonna be grabbing the stuff that I think will be kind of crucial for this expedition. So I'm just gonna grab like a flashlight, normal items. Pop a flashlight right there. I'm gonna grab my backpack from right here, and I'll catch you guys when I'm heading over to the new area. So there's little like arrows that point to this new area. Oh, what the heck is it's oh. So this thing doesn't work. Kind of thought that would work, but I guess we're going in here. Yep, I knew it. Oh, and guys, we are here at the ski resorts. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, I guess we're going. I don't know where this is gonna take me. Oh, you can get company coins from here. That's cool. Reminds me of Super Mario Odyssey for some odd reason. It looks like you can go that way. I'm pretty sure this is to the original map. Maybe? Oh, there's like a little hut down there. So I'm guessing that portal up there takes you all the way back up. I don't know. I haven't tried it. I'll try it right now. Well, we're just gonna go down here. How fast can we go? Blue. What the heck? That actually scared me. Oh, so there's monsters now? Hey there. Get stunned. Oh, I just went... Why did that guy deal so much damage? Okay, so there is obviously a new map with spooky monsters. I don't know what is in here, though. Is there, like, anything on top I could go to? Maybe, like, the map? How do I even get back to the original map? That's my question. Oh, wait, what? Oh, that's a death zone. Oh my gosh. It is. But how do you get back? This is called the outpost. How interesting. Now, how do you get back? That looks like a big opening. I was on YouTube, like, today, and I saw that, and I was like, I didn't click on it or anything, but it was like an exit thing. I don't know. Maybe we can check that out, later. Maybe that is the exit. I hope it isn't. Wait, no way, this is OG map, right? It is OG map. It's OG map! Oh, but it's all underwater. None of it actually works. Wait, now that I'm here, can I, like, buy stuff? Or is this just, like, not, like, a thing? Let's see. Yep, I can buy stuff. Yep. Thank you. Perfect. Yes, the Game Boy! Wait a minute. That's the OG room. Oh, I have so much things I'm gonna test now. Is there like a... Where do you think the cassette tape would be for here? Okay, so I did find a cassette tape that I will be taking. Yoink. Gimme. Outpost. Oh, here it is. Oh. Not a whole lot, but... Oh, wow. Okay. I'll catch you guys when I'm finally back at, the vault thing. And then maybe if we have time, I will go explore the outpost a little bit. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm... Okay, here it is. We're here. We're gonna check it out. Oh, boring. You need a vault key, bro? Are we serious? Like, how do you even get up there? Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, it is a key. We need to look for a key. Oh my gosh. And I believe that key quite possibly, maybe, might be in the outpost. Yeah. Might be in the outpost. Oh, we're gonna have to go back to the outpost. I'm already freaked out coming in here. Oh. Leave? Okay, cool. Drop that, because it was free, apparently. I'm not grabbing that. I'm taking this and this. There's the key. Yo, these blocks are like killing, bro. No! Nah! Yes, we did it! We did it, chat. Now, how hard is it gonna be? Oh, not hard at all. Okay, cool. Time to drag my butt down this slope. We did it, lads. Can I put this in my... No, okay. And we still have my flashlight. Goated. These don't harm you, right? Oh, no. Oh, they do. Darn, dude. I didn't know those would kill you. Ah! Okay, we're back at the spooky mansion. I'm gonna test and see if big, oh my god, big flashlight does anything. Let's see. Oh, too close. I guess not. No, bro. Really? No. Okay. Oh my god. Help me, it's opening. Dude, this thing's massive. Really? That's all you're gonna do? Oh, it's another ski map. Are we serious? Ooh. I know, get back here. Oh, I guess we're going through a ski map. It's not even like a bunker. It's just attached to the surrounding walls. Like, oh my god. Oh. Whew. Praise the Lord, man. So the nuts kind of guide you where you're supposed to go. Oh, here goes nothing. I'm not making that. No. No. Bro, really? Are we serious? No. No. Okay, I gotta like push myself off somehow. Oh my god. Really? Okay, we're gonna go along the walls. It's probably gonna be a big jump. Oh man, I just call everything off. Let me stay next to the wall. Oh. Yeah, I wouldn't have made that. I don't know who would. Okay. There's no rocks to grab onto, so I gotta be careful. Oh no, not one of these. Right is always right. Oh my god. Oh! Get W checkpoints. So, let's go left. This is actually, like, making me frustrated. There's nothing I can grab on to get to the other side. And I'll catch you guys when I get past wherever. Okay guys, so I just made it past this thing. I found a really neat trick where you just flap your wings like an arm. Like a penguin thing. And watch. See how slow I'm going? And it levitates you pretty much for just a couple seconds. But I finally made it to this area. It looks massively gorgeous, and wow. I'm guessing we can like ski down here, but wow. Yeah, there is 2 entrances, but I was told we have to go in here and find the reel. Yes. Okay. Now that we have the reel, I'm gonna put that in there. Yoink it. So yeah, I didn't know flapping your arms like a freaking bird makes you levitate just a little bit in the air, which is honestly very surprising, because I never knew about that. But taking the right side was probably the easiest way for me. Honestly, they very much vary, depending on what you want. Uh, the left side is just lots of jumps. I can't get past the very last jump, even doing the bird strat thing. But the right side, all you need to do is just bird jump once, and then you're good. So I'm going to take this all the way down to OG, um, to OG map, the OG map, and I'll meet you guys when I'm finally there. So now that we're here, we are going to take this reel. This is what I meant, yeah, because I thought it was just a rope that you had to do, but it's literally a reel, a video reel, which is interesting. Here we go.
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy, stop! Jimmy! Jimmy!
Hi! Is that a crowbar?
That's
Such a fun trampoline!
Would you rather a free rocket or a mystery bag?
Oh, God did for me.
Just give me 10,000.
Hey, buddy, you need a haircut?
Sorry, but I have to go. What do you mean? No! What are you doing? No!
Get out of the water! Oh, it's flagging! Oh.
I mean, just look at her.
Oh, it's over. Now it just opens up a portal. This is cool. Whoa. So it only gives you 1 per credit, huh? Okay. So this is pretty much the end game. Credits. Yeah, only gives you. That's nice. So this basically just is the credits. You get tokens by looking at them. So I'm just gonna collect all the tokens real quick, so I can get to the very end, because there is another reward at the very end. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, I'm pretty sure I collected all the credits, and this is before and after. That's insane. So, before and then after. That is a pretty cool difference. Definitely it gives you a lot of tokens. I wonder if this is grindable. I'm just saying. Um, which means that would be really easy to get a lot of tokens. Also, this music is digging, bro. Is this supposed to be a yacht? I'll never know. Okay, guys, we're here. That's cool. All the devs are here. That is really cool. And here's the button. I don't know what this is gonna do. See a banana. Oh no! Oh, okay, we're good. What the? That's the OG map. It's the bunker. Oh, yo! They give us a snowboard with all the devs. Whoa, yo, Waldo? That's a cool name. This is cool. I'm actually, whoa. This is cool. I like this. If you enjoyed this Christmas special like I did, make sure to go like the video and comment if you want to see more special videos like this. Yeah. Yeah, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys in the next one, champs. See ya.
Yeah, lost.